Hi friends, it's your Mitzi Lighting Stylist here, LaDonna, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install pendants in your kitchen. Pendants provide ambient and functional lighting, add personality to your kitchen, and illuminate countertops for tasks such as cooking. For this project, you will need your new Mitzi light fixture. We're installing the Kiki pendant, assembly instructions, voltage detector, screwdriver, box cutter, wire connectors, safety glasses, wire cutter pliers, drop cloth, and ladder. We are using the Character Light Fixture Kit to make this installation safe and easy. Safety first. Before you begin, make sure the power is turned completely off at the source. Go to your electrical panel or breaker and switch it off. You can check that there is no power running to the fixture by flipping the fixture switch on and off. Ask a pal, family member, or neighbor to assist with the installation of larger fixtures. Throw on those safety glasses, hop up on the ladder, and using your screwdriver, loosen the hardware holding your fixture in place to expose 3 colored wires. Use the voltage detector to triple check that there is no electrical current running to the fixture. Finally, disconnect the wires and say goodbye. You're on your way to beautiful lighting. Attach the mounting bracket that came with your new fixture. Thread the cord through the bracket until the desired hanging height is met. We recommend 30 to 32 inches from the countertop to the bottom of your fixture. Tie the cord in a knot to secure the wire in place. Now, connect each wire with its matching color. Secure each connection with a wire connector, then wrap the copper wire around the green wire. Place the canopy over the outlet box and tighten it. Lastly, screw in the light bulbs. Be sure to use bulbs that are appropriate wattage for the fixture. You can find that information in the assembly instructions. And that's it. Turn the power back on, flip the switch, and enjoy your new glow. Show us your new Mitzi piece by tagging us at MyMitzi. We'd love to see it. Be sure to check out the rest of our How to Hang series featuring several other of our favorite Mitzi fixtures.